Ayan. Ano man tao ni siya, uy, nga. Pagka naman yung wrinkles. Ayan. Si beautiful princess. Ayan. Silang dalawa. So, ayan. Ayan. Giahak nga nung puning karon mo puning buto ng iyang buringgit. Ayan. Kinsa na iyang partner. Kinsa man na iyang partner. Ayan, ay dili na nako butangan og music ha kay i-copyright ni Lolo. Minsan nang iyang partner, remembrance niyo sa inyong sa inyong pagkabata. Ayan. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan siya, ang among beautiful princess sa Adihaw. Ayan. Pero gitupak ning bataan nga naman ni siyang gitupak man eh. Ayan. Dapat gipada ang duaan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Child Development Candidate. Ayan. Ayan siya. Nakalabas yung lahat ng ngipin. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan silang tatlo. Yung sa gitna, yun ang winner. Ayan, siya ang pangalawa. Matangkad siya sa sa kanila. O umupo yung isa. Ayan. Nakiyata ito ni Miri anong pangalawa ay yung pangatlo eh. O ayan sila. Bakit kasi hindi pinadala yung laruan? Buti nga walang tupak yan. Ayan. Ayan silang tatlo. Ayan. Ayan. Yan pala ang yan pala ang dahilan kaya tinupak. Ayan. O, pinadidi na niya yung baby niya. Ayan. Pinadidi na niya yung baby niya na wala ang tupak. Ayan. Bakit kasi hindi pinasama yung baby? Kaya tuloy. Kaya tuloy gitupak. Ayan. So, okay. Ayan. Nag-crying ang among princess. Nga naman kani siya nga nahilak man eh. Kitupak man. Ayan na. So, okay. Ayan na sila. Kano sa ang ilang coronation night? Ito pa, meron pa. Agoy! Ang gab ko nun, ano yun? Ana. Ayan.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious. But all myself, I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up